Hey, my name's Nicholson, and if you're watching this video, you want to get a free customer avatar template. Well, look, keep watching. I have got you sorted on this, and this is the right video for you. Now, quickly, I'm going to assume something. If you're watching this video, you're a coach, consultant, business owner, or a marketer of some sort. Now, this channel's for you, and I want to make sure that we keep connected and keep serving you and giving you more value via this channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification, because that is going to really help you to grow your business. I've got tons of videos on marketing every single day. I release multiple videos, and so let's make sure we take your business till the next level. Now, let's jump into this, right? So you want to get this, and if you want to just jump ahead and get this, in the description is a link, and you can download your PDF version now. So, avatar. What is a customer avatar? Well, a customer avatar is effectively your ideal customer. It's who you would like to work with, right? And I run a program called the Business Accelerator. And on that, it's actually one of the first things we do is figure out who your ideal customer is. And by doing that, we help you attract people that you want to work with, that pay you on time, pay your premium prices, don't haggle, and are a dream to work with. And we actually repel people that you don't want to work with. And that's really, really, really important, right? And so let's have a look through a few of the things that are in this. And below with this PDF is also a video tutorial on how to do this. But I want to cover a few things first and give you a bit more info on these avatar worksheets. And so first thing we need to do is to worry about their gender. Now, you might have a business that can serve females and males equally. And so if that's the case, great. However, do make two avatars. And the reason for that is males and females are very different. They will like different things that are going to help us find them online. Maybe they read different books, go to different websites, or maybe they even buy different products from us, right? If we were McDonald's, they can sell to male and female. They can sell to people of all ages, but a male might come in for a Big Mac and a lady might come in for a salad, right? That's not the same for everyone, but on the whole, that might be what happens, right? And so that's essential as business owners, that we differentiate between male and female and market to them differently, because they like different language and they hang out in different places. So that's the first thing to consider. Now, if you're a startup, then you're going to have just your best guess at this, right? If you're an existing business, I want you to think about your last 10 customers, and out of those, who were the two best? So for all of this exercise, who are the two best? That's what you're going to go with. Startups, you have a guess. When you've got 10 customers, then I would suggest you revisit this exercise. So print 2 when you need to, right? Then we want to consider their age, right? So what's the age of our ideal customer? And a story I give is my daughter, Georgia, she's 20, right? And so she goes to a nail salon every now and again around payday, and she gets her nails done, and she spends £20, right? She spends £20 to get her nails done. Need some water, guys, sorry. She'll spend £20 to get her nails done, right? Now, Katie, my partner, she will go to the nail salon and easily spend £50. And so think about this. If you're the nail salon, who do you want? More Georges, who's spending £20, or more Katies that's spending £50? And if you're smart, which I know you guys are, of course you want more Katies, right? So the age of your ideal customer is a consideration, right? My Business Accelerator program, we help business owners of all ages. But we found that a lot of people that started a business at like 18, we can help them, but they're less likely to have a bit of cash in the business to be able to help them and support them grow the business. And so they couldn't afford my services to help them, right? And so that was a consideration for us, right? And that's important for you guys. Next, things like their marital status is important. Now, if you run a nightclub, you want single people. If you are a builder, you want married people, because maybe they want an extension, they need more space, and probably they've got 2 salaries going into a house, and all the bills are split between 2 people. Life's generally a bit cheaper if you're married, right? Location's important. So where do they live? because different areas, even in London, they want different things. They buy different products and services from different people. They have different interests. So you need to think about, where do your customers live? Even if you live in a small town, there's certain areas of that town that are more likely to be good customers, and some areas will be bad. Right? So then we need to think about, what's their lifestyle? What do they like to do? Maybe what profession are they in? Are they a business owner, which is my ideal audience? Or are they someone that works in customer service or care, or whatever it is? What's their profession? That's important. The income that they have, right? You need to be able to attract people that can afford you. It's great marketing, but if you market to people that are broke, then sorry, you're going to be broke too, right? And so it's important that you identify their income. The goals that they've got is important, so we're going to write down the goals, and the video training is going to go in more details on this. What are their values? What's important to them? Fears, frustrations, and challenges, that's important, right? Because they might have some fears about buying your product, frustrations because they can't find what they need, and we need to identify that. And so that's going to help us get a really good marketing message across. What do they like and dislike out of business here? So my family, we're a small family. We've got Katie, Georgia, and we've got a new gorgeous little baby called Amelie, right? And so we're talking about things like outside business. We're talking about swimming lessons for Amelie. We're talking about holidays after the lockdown. What are we going to do and where are we going to go? And so when you know that stuff, you can have conversations in your marketing like that. What books do they read, right? A lot of my audience has read Rich Dad, Poor Dad and Think and Grow Rich, right? Those are books that I market to readers of. And I can show you how to do that. But now I just want you to get down what books they might be reading. What magazines could they be reading? Ideal Home Show or House and Home would indicate that they're looking for a slightly better quality thing if you're a builder, right? Blogs that they read, gurus that they follow. If they follow Tony Robbins, that's a good person for me because they're more likely to be inspired to change, right? Conferences they attend. Do they attend wedding shows? Other things we want to look at is what stops them buying. Sometimes it's their partner. Sometimes it's the belief in you as a provider of a service. What stops them buying? Maybe they feel that they haven't got enough money. You need to think about all of this stuff so you can cover that off in your marketing. How do they make decisions, fast or slow? And what objections have they got to the sell? All of this is covered in this sheet, and you're going to grab your copy right now. So go to the description and grab your PDF. But before you go, because once you're off here, we'll never see you again, make sure you subscribe to this channel, right? This channel is going to give you a wealth of marketing experience and help you grow a business. Not only that, I've got videos on funding businesses and all sorts of great stuff in between. So subscribe and hit the bell. Comment below, let me know who you are, and hit that like button. And last thing before you go, I want to give you a free copy of my book, Expert Mastery. And in the description is a link, and you can grab a free copy today of Expert Mastery, a real book, and that will lay out my 5-step business accelerator methodology. So go and grab that now, and go and grab your template, and I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. I've been James Nicholson. Bye for now.